Are you tired of playing car yoga every time you try to clean the inside of your windshield? That impossible-to-reach corner? The annoying haze that only shows up in direct sunlight? The streaks! It's one of the most frustrating jobs for any car owner. But it doesn't have to be. Today, we are counting down the top 8 windshield cleaning tools you can get right now. We're going to compare them head-to-head to find out which ones are genuinely worth your money and which one is the undisputed champion. All the links are in the description, so you can easily find any of these tools. Let's jump in! 8. Windshield cleaner with 6 pads. Kicking off our list at number 8 is this classic green wand cleaner. Its biggest selling point is right in the name. You get a whopping 6 reusable microfiber pads. For the price, that's a fantastic value right out of the box. It features a lightweight aluminum body and a telescoping handle, so you can finally reach that dusty corner at the base of your dashboard. The triangular head swivels to hug the curve of the glass, which is a huge step up from just using a cloth. While it's a solid starter tool, the pads themselves are a bit on the thin side, and some users slip their own higher-quality microfiber towels over the head for a better streak-free finish. It gets the job done, but think of it as a great starting point. 7. Desin Windshield Cleaning Tool. At number 7, we have the Desin Windshield Cleaning Tool. This one is very similar to our last entry, but with a few key differences. It comes with 4 washable microfiber pads instead of 6, but the 180-degree swiveling head feels a little smoother in action. The extendable aluminum handle is lightweight and sturdy, saving you from back strain. Like the previous tool, users report the pads are a bit thin, but the head design is great for holding a thicker, better quality towel in place. A popular trick among car detailing fans. It's a reliable and user-friendly tool that makes a frustrating job much easier, offering a great balance of features for its price point. 6. SoSickWithIt Car Windshield Cleaning Tool. Sliding into our number 6 spot is the SoSickWithIt Cleaner. This is the super budget-friendly option on our list, often coming in at around just $10. For that price, you still get an extendable handle, a pivoting head, and 4 washable pads, which is amazing value. Now, to hit that low price, the handle is made of plastic instead of the aluminum we saw earlier, so it can feel a bit less sturdy. Some people also find that assembly can be a little tricky, but if you're looking for a cheap and cheerful tool that will get the job done for occasional cleaning, and you don't mind its plastic build, this is a very compelling choice that's hard to beat on price alone. 5. Stoner Car Care Invisible Glass Reach and Clean Tool. At number 5, we're taking a big step up in quality with the Stoner Car Care Invisible Glass Reach and Clean Kit. Stoner is a huge name in glass cleaning, and this tool shows why. Instead of simple flat pads, it uses 2 high-quality, reversible waffle weave microfiber bonnets. This texture is fantastic for scrubbing away stubborn film and haze without leaving streaks. The FlexTech head pivots nicely, and the whole kit packs away into a handy storage bag. The main drawback? The handle is plastic, which feels like a slight miss compared to some aluminum competitors, but the cleaning performance from those bonnets is top-notch. Or AstroAI Windshield Cleaner Tool. Coming in hot at number 4 is the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner. This tool is a fan favorite, and for good reason. It combines the best features we've seen so far: a sturdy, extendable aluminum handle, a smooth 180-degree pivoting head, and a kit with 4 reusable microfiber pads. What makes AstroAI stand out is the fantastic balance of quality and value. The build feels more robust than the budget plastic models, and some kits even come bundled with a spray bottle. While the included pads are a bit thin, a common theme, it seems, the overall package is strong, reliable, and incredibly effective for tackling interior fog and grime. It's the tool that seems to get everything right for a very fair price. 3. XINDELL Windshield Cleaner Tool. Our number 3 pick is the XINDELL Windshield Cleaner. This tool is all about reach. It boasts a long, extendable aluminum handle that's perfect for owners of large trucks, SUVs, or RVs. Like the AstroAI, it has a pivoting head and comes with 4 microfiber bonnets to get you started. It's a direct competitor to many others on this list, offering great performance for reaching the deepest parts of a sloped windshield. The main complaints are that the bonnets can sometimes fit a little loosely or shed fibers. However, for sheer reach and the convenience of its sturdy aluminum pole, the XINDELL is a fantastic choice, especially for those with bigger vehicles. 2. KeFanta Window Squeegee. Now for something a little different at number 2. The KeFanta tool is a versatile 2-in-1 squeegee and sponge. This one is designed for both your car and your home. On one side, you have a netted sponge for scrubbing away dirt, and on the other, a flexible rubber blade for a perfect, streak-free wipe. Its telescoping handle and pivoting head mean you can clean your car's exterior glass, shower doors, and high windows without grabbing a lap. The head is even detachable for handheld use in tight spots. This isn't your go-to for the inside of the windshield, but for all-around glass cleaning versatility, especially on the exterior, it's a brilliant and affordable gadget. And in our number 1 spot, it's the ZimiTeda 3-in-1 tool, the jack-of-all-trades. This thing is built for maximum reach and versatility, with a handle that extends all the way to 40 inches. It combines a large microfiber pad for general cleaning with a built-in squeegee for mirrors and exterior glass. This means you can clean the inside haze, then immediately wipe the morning dew off your side mirrors without changing tools. The sheer length is its superpower, letting you clean almost any part of your vehicle from one spot. The only catch is that the polypropylene handle can feel a bit flexible when fully extended, but for its all-in-one convenience, it's an absolute game-changer. The final verdict. And the winner is... All right, after looking at all 8 tools, it's time to pick a winner. We saw everything from budget plastic wands to versatile squeegees. But for the absolute best combination of build quality, performance, and value for cleaning the inside of your windshield, the winner has to be the 4 AstroAI Windshield Cleaner Tool. It just hits that perfect sweet spot. You get a strong aluminum handle, a reliable pivoting head, and plenty of pads right in the box. It avoids the flimsy feel of the budget models while delivering performance that rivals more expensive kits. It's the tool I'd recommend to just about anyone. But what do you think? Are you all about the incredible value of the SoSickWithIt, or do you need the massive reach of the ZimiTeda? Let me know your pick in the comments below. If this video helped you make a decision, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next review. And don't forget, all the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.